Hello and welcome guys. So today I'm live with another PowerBI tutorial in which we talk about the decomposition tree. As you know, we are exploring a lot of visualizations day by day, like the pie chart, bar chart, maps, slicers, and a lot more. So today I think we should start with the decomposition tree. So let me check my data first. Yes, we have superstore data in which we have the product names, product categories, profit, their sales, the regions, uh, and the country and the ship mode and how many orders we have. So let's come over to the report view. So as you know, these are three views. I already told you about this. This is the report view, this is data view, and this is modeling view. So we'll talk about the modeling in another tutorial. So let's talk about the report view. Okay, so let's pick the visualization of decomposition tree from here and make it bigger. Okay, so this looks nice. So as you can see, if I click over here, there is just values column show, but when I click on the decomposition tree, it will show me three fields. One is analyze, another is explained by, another is student. Okay, so let's just start analyzing all our orders. Okay, so count of order, how many orders we have? We have around 904 orders, and then explain it by okay, how many product orders we have. So let's see, explain by product name. Explained by, I think it's quantity. Let me just find out the quantity segment. Yeah, here it is. And, oh yes, and from which city that we collect order, or we can call it the city or the country, whatever you want to know about. So yes, where our product lies in which category. Okay, so as you can see, we have midnight count order ID. You cannot see any changes over here. So as you can see, there is a plus sign. You can click on it, and all the values that we add in the explained by column shows here. So let's click over the product name or the product category or the quantity or the city. So let's click over the category column. Okay, so we have broader major in office supplies, then information, and then technology things. So let's see, either click on this plus sign, see how many quantities. Okay, so in the office supplies, uh, let's click on the product name. Okay. So this is the quantity stream, and if I click on this quantity, it will show you further product name. I think. Okay, so this is now the category and the product names in the office supplies, and I think what we can change the key over order IDs key is by consumer IDs. How many consumer we have for product? The consumer. Okay, so this is some kind of decomposition tree, as you can see here. Realize the order IDs, visualize three categories: office supplies for teachers and technology. Here is product name, office supplies for the breakdown in PC staples, furniture for the breakdown in adjustable chairs, desk, and a lot of things. Technology for the breakdown in Logitech desktop. Maybe it will be some mouse or something. So let me check the office supplies and how they deliver these office supplies is like step and delivered through class, same day, first class, standard class. So this is the ship one, but I don't think so that it's give you all a lot of good information. So let's analyze the sales of these products, like the step developed sales. Okay, so I want to see the total sales, but yeah. Okay, so I think I want to see the profit per product. So it shows me then about the profit. So you can add further things, like you can do like office supplies mean there's a lot of subcategories. If I click on the blinders, it will show this. If I click the paper, it will show me the product name. If I click on the business structure, it will show its profit. So how this composition tree is going, how does it look? And you can lock these categories or use the lock icon. But there is one more thing which I want to share with you is so the decomposition will look great. What we could do, we could tell what I do table. Let's see how what it will do. Okay, first order ID CO20144. As you can see, it shows the tooltip first order ID, but we don't need it. So let's check the second first check. So I think we are not putting anything in the tooltip at this time, but yes, I will tell you more about its properties. And let's explore some of the formatting of the decomposition tree. Yes, format your visuals. Okay, so let's show some more thing. I don't want to sparse. Like, okay, so let's see the character, how it should be character. Wow, that's amazing. The live character, I think it could be red. So we will put the fridge, office supplies, paper, insist, is offered. So properties like maximum navigation. Okay, so as you can see that over all the categories, I don't think so that it's look great. I think it's look great in black. Yeah. So the values, their units, we can put it like this, so it will show you all in numbers, not in decimal something. You can give it the title or something like this. So this is all for the decomposition tree. I think it's look great. Thank you for watching.